Hey guys, it's Joseph. Today I'm going to be playing Top Splint, opening 10K pack opening. I said I might save up, but I was thinking of it. There's some really good offers right now. Well, not really good, but I want to see if I can pull an insert. I'm going to open an Archives pack and a Archetype type pack. Okay. I hope I pull an insert. Sergio Romo, Josh Osip, Sean Kelly, Paul Goldschmidt, and Escobar. Didn't get anything interesting. Time to pull this. Kobe Tomlinson, Adrian Gonzalez, Sam Freeman, Lucas Duda. Sweet, I pulled it. Pulled a Ken Griffey Jr. Limited, just an insert. Yes. I'm pretty sure you have to collect a certain type of cards to get an award, but I'm so glad that I just pulled that Ken Griffey Jr. And I'm so glad I was recording, because last Saturday I pulled like 4 inserts in 5 different packs. It was pretty cool. Let me check on the news how much. 1 in 60 odds. Dang. There's some pretty good names on these packs, like Mariano Rivera, Babe Ruth, Mike Piazzi, Jackie Robinson, Johnny Bench, Greg Maddox, and Ricky Henderson. What have I gotten in the other pack? Could have gotten him. I could have gotten Cal Ripken Jr., Dave Winfield, Lou Brock, Robin Yount, Duke Snyder, Mike Piazzi, Randy Johnson. He would have been an amazing pull. And Fernando Valenzuela. I like him a lot. Mike McGuire, Miguel Guerrero, Lou Piniella, Sandy Koufax. He was really good. And Al Khan. I would have liked gotten all of those I just named. I would have liked gone all of those. But sadly I didn't. That was Top Splint with Joseph. See you.